Are you looking for a digital solution with regular paper? Today, I have the solution for you. Hey everybody, welcome back to Writer Gadgets and Workflow. I'm author K.L. Brady and I'm so excited to be back with you guys today. Okay, so I know it's been a minute, but with good reason. I have had a lot going on. One, I don't know if I told you guys, but last year I left my old job and then went to a new company. When I got to my new company, my old job called me with an offer I couldn't refuse. So at the first of the year, I went back. And so far, I am in no way, shape, or form regretting that decision. So I'm really excited in my new role. But it has taken a lot of time to kind of get used to my new place in the company. So with that said, lots going on. Then my dad just had surgery, just a lot going on. So again, I'm sorry that it has taken a while for me to get back to this, but trust and believe, as long as new writing gadgets come out, this channel will go on for as long as I continue to buy them. And that is as long as I'm alive and kicking, because I cannot resist a new digital tool or a new writing tool. I just can't. I can't resist them. So I will be making videos forever. Okay, so with that said, today I'm really excited about the content for today. I don't know about you guys. I love digital paper. As a matter of fact, right now, even in my bedroom right now, set up on my desk in my bedroom is my Remarkable 2 as I write my next Christmas book. That is what I'm using. I'm writing longhand right now. I'll convert it to text and I'll type it. I'll do the typing to edit and clean it up and get it in the right format. But that's what I'm using right now. Sometimes I have not wanted to actually use my Remarkable. I know. Shock and awe. I haven't wanted to use it. I've actually just wanted to use regular paper. So I had been using this steno notebook, right? Well, the steno notebook was great for the writing part. But when I got ready to convert my notes that I had written because I had to share them with other people, I couldn't just keep them for me. So when I got around to, getting ready to share the notes, well, there was kind of two ways to do it. I could take a picture of the notes and I could send it to, my teammates, which no, because my handwriting sucks, because I was scribbling, So that wasn't going to work. So what I had to do was sit and type up my notes. And I was like, boy, it'd be nice to have a digital solution where I could actually write on paper when I feel like it, but then have a digital solution to maybe convert my text to typewritten text so that I could just send it to them in text and it'd be a quick conversion versus me having to sit there and type for half an hour to turn my notes into typewritten notes. So that's when I was like, hey, Carla, you've got a couple tools upstairs that are supposed to do exactly that or something like it, I hope. Anyway, so that's why today we're going to unbox the MOLESKINE Smart Writing Ellipse set, right? So with this, we'll find out all the, functionality. Honestly, I'll be honest, I didn't buy it for the functionality. I really bought it because I love Moleskine notebooks. I have a stack of them. I have probably about, I don't know, and these are not cheap notebooks. Like, I think my notebooks cost at least $20 each. And I have about, I want to say maybe 8 right now that are blank because I started using the Remarkable. And so I quit using my Moleskine, right? My Moleskine, right? So this may actually be the good mix between my Remarkable and, regular paper, right? This is what I'm hoping. So today we're going to dig into this tool. We're going to find out what's in the box. And we're going to check out the app and at least get a first glimpse of it. And then in the next episode, probably, I will do a cons, pros, and demos of this tool. But today we're going to open it up and see what's in the box, and at least maybe, set up the app and see how the app works. So stay tuned. That's coming right up. So anyway, as you can see, I'm prepared. Now, I've got the pen plugged in. I've got the pen plugged in. And now I'm going to pair it up with the app. Okay. So it says, you hit this until you see blue, hit it for 3 seconds. Okay. So I see amber there. So I think I saw some blue in there, right? Then add pen. Oh, let's try it again. There we go. Pen found. Please set up a password for the pen. Start notes. It's locally on this drive. I don't want to connect my Google yet. Open the M+. Tap the menu on the main. Tap on Export Notebooks button. Follow the instructions to export your notebooks. Then return here. Do not transfer anything. Okay, I don't want to transfer anything right now because I don't have anything to transfer. Leave. There we go. Here are a few of the many abilities that Notes 2.0 has to offer. Digitize writings and sketches from your N+ notebook. Adjust them with powerful editing tools. Transcribe your handwritten notes into a text. Export your drawings in vector format. Plan your work or personal events with M+ Smart Planner Notebook. Search within all your notes and events. Ooh, now that's a really nice feature. Share your notes and sketches with others or upload to cloud storage. Just start writing in your M+ notebook with your smart pen to create the digital reflection of the notebook in the app. Tap on any notebook to see pages inside. Smart pen icon is being shown at the top left corner of the screen in most situations. It reflects the current smart pen connection status as well as the smart pen battery status. If a smart pen is not connected, tap this icon to connect it. Pen settings. Moleskine pen, battery 100%, nice. So this will give you your status. If smart pen is connected already, tap on the icon to open the smart pen settings menu with many settings to customize the smart pen behavior according to your personal writing habits. Nice. Tap on the search and start typing to search within all of your notebooks. Transcribe pages, tags, dates, comments, and attachments. Coming soon. And other properties. We will continue to provide you with short hints where this may be helpful within the app. Now let's get to digitizing your brilliant ideas. Nice. Just start writing or drawing with your smart pen and to see your notebook here. Okay? Okay, well, I will do this part here and I will, like I said, I will test out the other stuff later. But we'll do an initial view here. All right. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, there's something on the edge of here. There's like a little rubber piece on the end there. You can't write with that. I'm guessing that's just like a protective coating. Okay, now let's try it. There it is. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but started to write on the paper. And it's showing up on the screen. Now, what I can tell you is this so far is that this experience, right? The pen experience is definitely ballpoint pen. It is not that soft gel pen that I'm really used to writing with. With that said, because of the quality of the pen and the quality of the paper, it's certainly, it's certainly tolerable. It's a decent experience. It's not the best writing experience, but it is definitely a decent experience. So you can see that here. Okay, that's much better. I guess it's just the phone brightness. Oh, I can barely see that. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so I changed the brightness on the phone a little bit. So now you can kind of see the writing on here. So yes, it does work. And again, I will explore all of the features and everything in the next episode. I'm really excited about this. All right, guys. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me for checking out the MOLESKINE Smart Writing Set. So I'm excited. And the next episode, the very next episode, which, will be coming up sooner than later, maybe within a day or two, I will have had some time to explore the features of this. And I will give you my cons, pros, and a demo of all the other features apart from the basic writing features that you saw today. So I'm really excited about that. In addition, in a future episode, we're going to take a look at the Think Book. Now this set is $149. Right? Think Book, I think has very similar functionality, but it is a mere $49, I think. So it's 1/3 the price of the other one, and may have the same or similar features. However, it does not come with the Bluetooth pen, so it'll be interesting to see how this works as well. So that will be coming up in a future episode as well, finally getting to those, and then we're going to get back to the Supernote. If you like the content on this channel, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know if there's some other tool out there that I may not be aware of, or if there's any features in particular of anything that I have ever shown that you want to see, or if you want to update on any tool and how I'm using it, or if I'm still using it and still find it worth it, please just let me know in the comments, and I will, definitely come back out and talk about it, or even do an episode. You guys know I will, if you ask questions, I will do a specific episode for your questions if I can't answer it in the comments. So just let me know what's going on. I thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.